Sam from Canada, or with
Hello, sure.
who? What's your name?
Sam. No,
Okay.
not Sam. Sam.
How many Sams?
We're just from Canada.
Yeah, but he's Sam. It's one.
Sam, there's one with S-A-N, this one is with the M.
Ah, okay. So what can I do for you, Sam?
Sheikh, we know the Salat al-Khams, this is fard on every Muslim, but what is a way of sort of encouraging people sometimes who may lack motivation, maybe, especially with the young people who maybe they pray on and off, or maybe sometimes they feel like it, sometimes they don't want to. How do we instill this, like the sweetness of the Salat in their hearts, and that they do it frequently? وَالسَّابِقُونَ السَّابِقُونَ جزاك الله خير.
وجزاك. Akhi, we've addressed this issue a lot of times. And we said that shaving the beard is a symptom, not the illness. Not wearing the hijab for women is a symptom. Not being able to pray on time and feel motivated is a symptom. Doing intoxicants or drugs, dealing with riba, lying, cheating, backbiting, all of these are symptoms. You want to eliminate the symptom for good, you have to eliminate the illness, because if you eliminate this symptom, another symptom will come in its place, and a third, and a 10th, and so on. So those youngsters who are lazy, don't feel motivated, don't pray on time, ignore this fact and focus on the illness. And what is the illness? As I said, 13 years the Prophet spent in Mecca alayhi salatu wasalam, when there was no zakat, no fasting, no hajj, no sharia rulings or fiqh. Prayer was mandated at the last time, couple of years of his stay. During these 11 years, what was he doing? What was his daily routine? Da'wah. Doing what? Cementing, emphasizing the importance of the 6 pillars of Iman. To know Allah, to know the angels, the messengers, the scriptures, the day of judgment, and whatever it is entailing that, and to believe in the divine decree. Once you teach people who Allah is and how beautiful His names and attributes are, and you relate them to Him, that He's all hearing, all seeing, that He is the provider, the sustainer, that He's the giver of life and death, that He is the one who gives us our provisions, allows us to breathe and to walk and talk. Once this is cemented in their hearts, they themselves would go and jump to pray on time without hesitation. And Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.